Plays the first ball of the innings. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the speed. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
Slips in place. He drew the batsman into playing that shot and it took the edge. Smart piece of bowling.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
That is a superb shot of a pretty good ball.
Can now have more than two fielders outside the inner circle.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
strokes it into the gap for a single.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Wide ball signalled by the umpire.
There is a fielder at cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. Deep point in place.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
Can he do it again? Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That is edged.
That is outstanding fielding. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Oh, that must have really hurt.
deep point in place.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That has made some serious damage.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Last ball of the innings coming up.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.